Welcome back to Cowboy Ray, and today I'm going to be showing you, as I said, a Dodge Demon right now. So this is my dream car right here, but I want it to be orange with a spoiler. This is a Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. I'm going to go on Google right now and show you what it is. It is my dream car, and that video that I just made showing you my cars, which is uploading right now, which will be done and you guys can all watch it. You guys can watch it, but when I said uploading, I meant uploading, just uploading, but when it's done, it's not going to be uploading anymore, and you guys can watch it. So, but right now, it's uploading until it's done. So right now, I'm going to show you a Dodge Demon. So, Dodge, D-O-D-G, wait, no, what the, Dodge Demon, D-E-M-O-N. Okay. Dodge Demon is my favorite car in the world. That is what it looks like right there on that picture screen right there. That is a nice image of it. Now let me show you a nice other image of it. I said I was going to be showing you on my other tablet, but I'm actually not. I'm showing you on Google on my tablet, which is actually filmed by D Recorder, Mazdum, whatever it says. Okay, I'm waiting for it to start. Don't worry about any of these things. Now, that is my dream car right there, the same exact one, but orange. And I want a spoiler. If that is cool, leave in the comments sick, because that is actually pretty cool. And I want that little hood thing in the front right. I wish I can zoom in, but I can't. I'm going to go on the Dodge vehicles. Dodge is my favorite brand. If you don't like Dodge, it's alright, but yeah. Here's a Charger right here, this green one. Challenger, and then this Journey, Durango, Dominic's on it. Here's the Rams, the new Rams. Here's the Demon, my Demon, the one I want. Let's click on that. Here's the Grand Caravan vans. So yeah, that's Dominic's tablet anyways, but right now I'm going to be showing you it. Let's go in another room. I'm actually walking in another room right now. So yeah, let's wait for this, actually. Right here. This has 880 horsepower car. The spoiler right there, that's the spoiler I want. I don't want a big one, I want a spoiler just like that on the back. That is my dream car. If that is cool, leave in the comments, as I said, sick. Now, yeah, this is what it looks like right now. So I'm going to actually be showing you a video of it right now on YouTube. I was actually watching myself. There's my channel right here. Okay. And as you saw that thing uploading before I got off it, yeah, that was the other video uploading. So yeah, let me show you the, Dodge Demon. Dodge Demon, Dodge. Wait, no, I said Dodge Demon. Yeah, right here. Okay, Dodge Demon Challenger. Okay, now, this is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you this right here. It's actually a video of it taking off. It's only 1 minute long. Yeah. Wait. This is cars.com.
Last week in Wisconsin, we showed you what the new...
Okay. Guy talking. So wait for him to stop talking and then it'll launch. So yeah. Let's give us a sec for it to do what it does. And then yeah, we'll be ready. I hate waiting when videos have to do this. I'll just start from the beginning right now. Okay.
Last week in Wisconsin, we showed you what the new...
Come on, you dumb. There's a Dodge Viper right there, right next to the Challenger. Challenger's the red, the Viper's the big spoiler right. Oh. I skipped ahead 10 seconds for some reason. I didn't even mean to. Okay, yeah, this is gonna take forever. These people should know I'm making a video right now, so this shouldn't be taking forever. Come on. Hurry up. Okay, now I'm just gonna skip right there. Okay. Let's just wait. This is what it is right here. All these other videos are not. I've watched all these videos actually. There's a Lamborghini and a Dodge Demon. You might be wondering, the Lamborghini wins, but the second round the Demon wins because the Lamborghini gets it a head start. Okay, I'm just gonna skip. Here we go, finally.
Last week in Wisconsin, we showed you what the new
Come on, it's always stopping at 6. Sorry if this guy's bugging you, but it's alright. Sorry.
Last week in Wisconsin, we showed you what the new
Why is it always stopping right there? This is some kind of freaking glitch or something. Okay, let's get back on this. I got off of it.
Last week in Wisconsin, we showed you what the new Dodge Demon looks like in B5 Blue, but the sound we had on it wasn't the greatest. Today, we're at the M1 Concourse in Pontiac, Michigan, just north of Detroit, and we've got something that you should really hear.
Okay, guys, ready? That's how it hears. That's how it sounds, I mean. Now here's it take off. Just 1 second. After this, it'll show the thing in the title of the video. Did you see like the picture of that? Not right now. That's what it sounds like. Now here's it is taking off right now. Right now. Okay, that was pretty sick. But there's the Demon, my dream car. And yeah. So I hope you like this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, turn on notifications and everything. Hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.